Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Custom Restos. I just want to give you a quick tutorial of how to take chrome off this plastic. Sometimes you just want to paint or get rid of chrome interiors or something like that. I'm going to show you how it works on this in this CLRs, stuff you can buy at Walmart or anywhere else. Usually in the household sections. It's calcium, lime, and rust. And what it does, it'll take this plating off of here. I guess it's some kind of aluminum something plating, and this is basically acid. And it just starts taking the plating right off. So I've done it to a couple pieces. This was a Hot Wheels car that I completely removed the chrome off of it, so this way it didn't have a chrome interior. I've got an idea for that little car. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but I've got an idea. And there you go. Probably 30 seconds in there. Let me wipe some of this off. Probably 30 seconds in there, and there you go. Complete white. No chrome on it. Now you can paint it, take it, at least take and immediately take and wash it, do, soap water, hot water. Go ahead and take that all off of there, and you got yourself a clean piece. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe so we can catch more. Hit that bell for you guys that have subscribed and keeps coming back and watching. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys a lot. All subscribing, likes and stuff like that help my channel 100%. So thank you very much, and I will get with you on the next video. Bye.